Hello, I'm Lucas, your host for this week's Inno Insights brought to you by TANGRAM. I'm delighted to see you again for this new edition. Today, we'll look into the latest innovations impacting industries, starting with the logistics sector. Let's dive in. In response to a labor shortage in manufacturing, the Walker S1, a humanoid robot developed by UBTech, has started working in factories. Standing at 5.6 feet, it handles tasks like quality inspections and assembly. The aim is to reduce human labor to just 10% while improving safety by taking over physically demanding jobs, a step toward reshaping the future of factory work. Let's move with a major development in aviation. China's United Aircraft Corporation has unveiled the world's first pilotless aircraft, the Lanying R6000. This 6-ton tilt rotor can carry 10 passengers or a 2-ton payload, with a range of 2,500 miles and speeds of up to 340 miles per hour. Its autonomous capabilities could transform logistics and transportation, marking a significant step toward the future of air travel. And finally, an exciting development in workplace safety. The Italian Institute of Technology has introduced the FSD-01, an eVTOL backpack drone aimed at preventing falls on construction sites. Weighing just 5 kilograms, this AI-activated system uses a rope mechanism for safe landings. With 4 propellers and a top speed of 18 kilometers per hour, it also includes virtual reality safety training. Originally designed for construction, it may also benefit shipyards for enhanced worker safety. This brings us to the end of this week's Inno Insights. Be sure to join us next time as we delve further into groundbreaking innovations across industries. Until then, stay curious.